What? Oh no. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh my god.
Let me see a lesson to you, Kylie. Don't ever do this.
Look at what is filling. Mom, how are you gonna empty it?
Into his face.
I know, but it's gonna keep
No,
pouring.
stop it.